In this video, we will learn how to find a string within another string in Java. First, I'm going to define a string. String data type and variable will be my str for my string, and inside it I will add hello world. And if I want to find hello inside this string hello world, then I can use strings function contains. The function contains will return true if it is able to find hello in this string. So when it finds the string, it returns true, else it returns false. So I'm going to use this function. My str function contains and this function takes a string that we want to find, and I will pass hello, and I can print the return value if it's true or false. I will declare a boolean variable and call it value. This is my right, and then I can print the value. Now just need to save and run this program, and you can see over here it printed true, so it was able to find this string in this hello world. If we want to find the exact position where a string starts within another string, we can use string class function index of. It will return us index location of this string. Let's try that too. And if it don't find the string, it will return -1. Now I will try to find index of world in this hello world string, and I will use my strings method index of and pass in the string whose index we want to know or find, and this will return us the index location, or if it don't find -1, so I will save it in a variable. I will name it index and save the return value, and then I'm going to print this system. Here we can say index is, and then concatenate index value with this string to print. Let's just save it and run it. You can see over here it find the world string at index location 6. We can count from here The first character start from index location 0 and 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and W is on 6 index. So it is able to find the index of that string. So this way you can find a string within a string by using contains method, and you can also find the index location of that string by using index of method of a string. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Keep supporting me and thank you for watching.